watching this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial on how to edit your videos.
So now guys, follow me step by step as I am doing it. Follow me step by step without skipping anything. Keep watching this video, don't skip anything, don't skip any seconds of this video guys, so you will get a positive result. So now let's get started. First of all, you will press this media and select any background you want to use for the video. For example, I want to use an image here. So now I would like to change the size of the image in order to fit the screen, like this. So you have to follow how I did this cropping also. So now the start position, you have to you have to zoom it like this. You have to zoom the start position like this. So why I said you have to zoom the start position is that so that it will look like the person is flying like an angel like this. Can you see? So that is what that means. So after that, you have to choose this layer and media, then select the feather you want to use. Feather, an angel feather that is already in green screen. So now you can increase the size, you can rotate it, you can. So after that, you will click this one, then turn on this one. Can you see? It is cleaned. The green is cleaned without any stress. So now let me move it upward like this. So the next thing we have to do is that then we will choose the video of the person we want him or her to fly. So now this is the video I have recorded. So the video must also be in green screen. Yes. So I have to trim the video. Because the beginning of the video is not good. It's not good. So just keep watching me. Keep watching me guys. If you need that feather, just comment under the comment section and I will send you the link to download, or just don't worry, I will put the link in the description of this video to download that feather, that angel feather you are going to use. I will put the link in the description of this video. So subscribe to this channel guys, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So you have to trim the video. Okay, I think it is okay. No machine. Okay, it is okay like this. So now, so you will just, so guys, you have to increase the speed of this thing like this, so that the feather will be fast. So the feather is not even fast as I want. So now I would like to increase it more. So let me increase it more, because the speed, I have increased the speed of the feather too much, so that is why the video is not playing well. It's not playing normal. So now all you have to do is to crop this one like this, crop this one, So now just follow me step by step, guys. Follow me. All you have to do is to follow me step by step as I am doing it. Don't skip this video, guys. If you skip this video and you move on to, you just go and start your own, then you may get a negative result. So just follow me step by step as I am doing it. Follow me step by step as I am doing it. So now, guys, all you have to do now is to click on this and boom. So adjust this one, adjust it. So now the background is not cleaned as I want, so I would like to choose the color of the background myself, like this. Just click here and select the color that match the color of the background you used. I mean the color that is the same with the cloth you use for background, with the green cloth you use for background. So now it is not. So now let me use this one. So now, guys, I think it is. Let me zoom in so that there will be no. Okay. So now let me adjust the video so that the thing will look fine. Guys, all you have to do is to follow me step by step without skipping any seconds. So now I have to move the feather like this. So now let us play the video and see the results. After saving the video will play very well. The video will play as it's supposed to play. It will not be cracking like that. You know, that feather is because I have increased the speed of that feather, and that is why the feather is doing like that. So now let me remove the sound of this video because it is just a noise. So now, guys, click this one to save the video. You can choose any resolution you want. Now let me choose 720p and save. Now let us wait for it to save. And see the video we have edited. So guys, trust me, the video will play as it's supposed to play. Trust me. So now the video is saved, so let me play it for you guys so that you will see the live proof that this video is going to play. It's going to play as it's supposed to play, as a normal video. So guys, can you see that the feather is not doing as it is before? Can you see now, guys? That is it. So guys, if you want to learn more about video editing, all you gotta do is to subscribe to this channel and turn on notification so that whenever I drop any video you will be notified. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate you for your time. I love you guys. I love you so much. Share this video. Don't forget to share. If you have any problem, let me know in the comment section below.
If you are watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe. Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, follow us. Thanks for watching.